Nepal is considered as one of the friendliest countries toward India, so much so that India shares open border with Nepal. It is considered as porous border and citizens of both countries can travel freely without visa or passports. But being a friendly country doesn't mean that we don't have a border dispute with Nepal. We do have a border dispute with Nepal, and by the end of this video we will be able to understand about India-Nepal border, what are the disputed area between India and Nepal, history behind these borders and why even there is a dispute. Also, what are the recent events which come in light due to these border disputes. So, India shares total of 1770 kilometers of border with Nepal, and it is shared with 5 Indian states: Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal and Sikkim. So the border stretches from northwest, that is Kalapani region in Uttarakhand, to southeast, Sikkim, West Bengal and Nepal junction near the Siliguri corridor. As I said earlier, this is an open border and citizens of both countries can travel freely without visas or passports. The boundary which India shares with Nepal mostly follows rivers like Kali, Gandak, Mechi river and Himalayan foothills. So if we go into historical background, in 1815-16, after Anglo-Nepalese War, the Treaty of Sugauli, that is in 1816, it fixed Nepal boundaries with British India. So in this, Nepal lost Sikkim, Kumaon, Garhwal and part of Tarai region to British India. It is during this agreement of the Sugauli, the Kali river was marked as the western boundary. In 1860, Nepal, for its support to British in suppressing the 1857 revolt, some of the region like Kanchanpur, Kailali, Banke, Bardia were returned back to the Nepal, and together these districts are sometimes called the Naya Mulk, yani new country in Nepali history. And 1947 onwards, after India's independence, the colonial era border agreement carried over as a agreed upon border between these two nations. So major border dispute which India have with Nepal includes two areas. One is Kalapani, Limpiadhura, Lipulek. It is basically falls near Uttarakhand sector. And second is Susta village border dispute. As I said earlier that the boundary which India shares with Nepal mostly follow rivers like Kali, Gandak, Mechi river and Himalayan foothills. So major dispute here is because of the rivers. Let's talk about Kalapani, Limpiadhura and Lipulek first. Here, area under dispute is approximately 370 square kilometer and dispute is because of the source of river Kali. Here, India considered the Kali river origin as a Kalapani, but Nepal claim it begins from Limpiadhura, which is further west. Lipulek Pass is strategically vital for India military access to Tibet area region, also called TAR, which is now in China. Similarly, another area of dispute is Susta, which is at Bihar, Nepal border basically, Champaran district in Bihar and Nawalparasi district in Nepal. The border here was demarcated along the Gandak river, also called Narayani in Nepal. The river over time changed course due to flooding and erosion, and as a result about 140 square kilometer of fertile land that was once on the Nepalese side is now on the Indian side. So here center of dispute is Susta village. Here India says that the border should follow the current course of Gandak river, while Nepal says the border should follow the original course as per old map. So currently this is all about to know about India-Nepal border and disputes between them. Hope this video was informative. Enjoy watching this video and meanwhile do like and subscribe. We will meet in next video. Thank you very much.